A rare opportunity to live a serene lifestyle at this tranquil 5-acre retreat. Situated in an ideal close-in Sherwood location, this expansive property offers panoramic, unobstructed views of Mount Hood and views of Mount St. Helens. It's also conveniently located near wine country, Newburgh, and Sherwood city amenities. Follow the private drive to the gorgeous home and pristine guest house or potential Airbnb. Heading inside this home of more than 4,600 square feet, you'll discover a grand curved wood entry, granite and hardwood floors leading to the living room with a cozy wood-burning fireplace, and expansive windows with mountain views. The chef's kitchen features custom cabinetry, granite countertops, premium appliances, and an open concept design perfect for entertaining. A newly installed Marvin Elevate bifold slider provides seamless indoor and outdoor living. You'll find a light-filled, large office, in the main level primary suite, you can wake up to mountain views or recharge in the luxurious primary bath with a walk-in closet, plus a large laundry room and even an indoor dog wash. Upstairs, discover 3 generous ensuite bedrooms, complete with private balcony access for each bedroom. You'll also enjoy individual thermostats, courtesy of the home's 7-zoned HVAC system. A 5.3-acre retreat of undeveloped usable acres for a vineyard, horses, or a dream hobby farm. Curl up with your favorite book in the bonus room with a cozy reading nook. The hardscape patio off the living area provides an ideal spot for barbecues, while taking in the panoramic valley and mountain views. Steps away, you'll find the beautifully maintained guest house. It's complete with a gas fireplace. Full kitchen with granite and stainless steel appliances. 2 bedrooms and 2 baths. An ideal combination of usable acreage and breathtaking views. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.